The Fractured Family, God's teaching on love and restoration. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4 to 7 ESV. Love is patient, love is kind. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. In the tangled threads of family life, where love and hurt intertwine, God's teaching on love offers healing. Today, we meet David, a father facing estrangement, and learn how divine love restores broken bonds. David, a 42-year-old teacher, hasn't spoken to his teenage son, Ethan, in months. A heated argument over Ethan's grades spiraled, words cutting like Mariah's knife, leaving silence. David's wife, Rachel, pleads for reconciliation, but pride hardens his heart. At church, a sermon on the Samaritan woman at the well stirs him. Jesus' love transformed her shame. David wonders, can God mend us? A shadow whispers, it's too late. But friend's prayer sparks hope, urging him to love first. David's riff recalls Joseph's betrayal by his brothers, Genesis 37. Yet God's love restored them, as it did Rahab's family in the fall of Jericho. In 1 Corinthians, Paul paints love as patient, enduring, like Jesus' compassion for the woman at Sychar or Lazarus' sisters. The light of Lazarus. God's love, unlike human frailty, never fails, even when families fracture. God teaches that love is a choice, not a feeling, requiring patience and sacrifice, as Jesus showed on the cross. Lucifer's whispers, like those in Eden, the shattering of Eden, fueled division, but God's word commands, love one another, John 13, verse 34. In families, love means forgiving, listening, and hoping, building bridges over. Daily, pray for a family member who's hurt you, asking God's strength to forgive, as Joseph did, mirroring Rahab's mercy. Spend 10 minutes daily listening to a loved one without interrupting, reflecting Jesus' attention at the well. Perform one kind act weekly, e.g. a letter, a shared meal, like Eli's offering, to heal family bonds. David reached out to Ethan, apologizing, and slowly, trust grew. Like the woman at Sychar, love restored them. God's teaching on love, fierce as a Gothic flame, mends what shadows break, reflects the woman at the well's redemption, Rahab's family salvation, the fall of Jericho, and Eli's love, the feast of abundance, countering Lucifer's hate, the curse of the dark fiend.
Thanks for watching. Share God's love and subscribe for daily Bible inspiration. God bless you.